Good morning, children. Welcome back to our geography class. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new chapter, children. But before I start this chapter, I just want to show you some pictures and ask you some questions. Are you ready, children? Yes. What do you see in this module? Yeah, there are some books and a car, a laptop, and some eatables. And my question is, from where do means where are which in which place they manufacture or they process this? Yes, you are right, children. The answer is industries. So industries are the place where the goods are processed. The natural goods are processed and they make into more valuable finished goods. Right? So in today's class we are going to discuss about the industries. At the end of today's topic, children, you'll be able to learn economic activities and classification of industries. Economic activities. Children, whatever thing you do to earn the income, that activity comes under economic activity because you're doing that activity for income. Okay? So there are three kinds of economic activities, children. Those are primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. In primary activities, people depends upon the natural resources. For example, farmer depends upon land, soil, water. In secondary activities, people involving in manufacturing of goods. Okay? In tertiary activities, people depends upon providing services like selling, buying, banking, commerce, trade, etc. Got it? Yeah. So let us discuss detailedly about each one of them. Primary activities, children, people produce the raw materials from the natural resources, and these raw materials which are finished goods which we get from the primary sector, they can be processed in the secondary sector. Okay, and the people those who process these, after finishing their processing, they transport them to the markets and to the shops. So that's called second tertiary sector. And in the above economic activities, we are going to discuss detailedly about the secondary activities. Secondary activities. Secondary activities are those they change the raw materials into products of more valuable goods to the people. Okay, for example, cotton. It is not much value, but if you convert the cotton into a shirt or a cloth, children, the cloth or the shirt is more valuable than the cotton. Likewise, here see wood. Wood also, that wood pulp they convert into a book. Now tell me which is most valuable thing, wood pulp or book? Yes, it is book only. So the paper made from the pulp had more value. Okay, so that value, more amount of value had added to it and at each stage of manufacturing process. For example, paper is costlier than the wood pulp, but a book is much costlier than the paper. Likewise. Okay, children. So in this way, the finished products has more value and utility than the raw materials that is made from. Okay. Now industry. What is an industry, children? Industry refers to the economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. So this industry involves three processes. One is production of goods. Either you can produce the goods or extract the minerals from the soil, or provision of services means you can provide the services. Okay, so let's discuss. See here examples I have given. For production of goods, iron and steel industry. You can produce iron and steel from the iron ore. Second one, extraction of minerals. Sometimes we can extract the minerals from the surface of the earth. They comes under what extraction of minerals. So that also comes under tertiary industry only. So example, coal mining industry. And the next one, provision of services. Sometimes we provide services like tourism industry. Tourism industry is also example of what's an industry only. But here we provide the services. Do you understand now? Yeah. Now let's discuss detailedly about the classification of industries, children. Industries are mainly classified into three categories. That is, these are industries based on raw materials, industries based on size, and industries based on ownership. In today's class, you are going to discuss only the industries based on raw materials. Okay, fine. Now, industries based on raw materials. Industries, children, they may be agro based or mineral based or marine based and forest based. So these are the four classification of industries based on the raw materials. I repeat, industries are classified into four types in based on raw materials. Okay, na? Those are agro based, mineral based, marine based and forest based. Now let's discuss about the agro based. Agro based industries. These are the industries that use plant and animal based products as their raw materials. It means they use the products from the plants or animals. And what do? They process them and they produce the goods. So such kind of industries are called agro based industries. For example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textiles, dairy products, leather industries, all this comes under agro based industries. Okay. Now, mineral based industries. Mineral based industries are those industries that they use mineral ores as their raw materials. It means iron ore, bauxite, copper ore, likewise. Okay, they use mineral ores as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed the other industries. For example, once if they smelt the iron ore, you will get iron. Again, you can transport this iron to different industries to manufacture machinery or fans or refrigerators, etc. Got it? Yeah. So then the raw materials, this is the raw materials for manufacturing number of other products also, not only for this machinery but also heavy buildings or railway coaches, etc. Okay, which you can see here. Marine based industries. Marine based industries, children, they use products from the seas and oceans as raw materials. For example, what are the products which you get from the seas and oceans? Seafood or the minerals which are available under the sea. Those are called marine based products. So they use these products and they convert them into finished goods. So industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil, no, they are the examples of these marine based industries. Now comes to the forest based industries. These forest based industries, children, they utilize forest produce, whatever production, whatever you get from the forest, gum, lac, rubber, all those you get from the forest, no? So those products they use as raw materials in those industries. So these industries also associated with forests are pulp industry, paper industry, pharmaceuticals, it means in medicines, furniture, buildings, etc. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Thank you.